Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we've got a 2010 GMC Yukon XL Denali edition. This thing is loaded up with all kinds of extras. As you can see on the front, it has fog lights. We put brand new headlights in it. It's got great tires. Look at the tread on those babies. I believe they're 20s. Yep, 20s there. You got the chrome fixed running boards. Nice chrome rims. Good taillights right there. It's got the tow package. It's got the backup sensors in the bumper, backup camera. It's also got a power rear door. You can press the button there and activate it, or you can activate it on the remote. Either way. Does have a luggage rack. It's a beautiful white. Let's go ahead and look inside. As you can see in the mirrors here, it's got the blinker. It's also got where it'll show you the radar on the side if there's somebody in the lane if you're trying to get over. We got power locks, power windows, power mirrors. I believe this is power folding mirrors. Air conditioned and heated seats. Power leather seats. Leather's a little worn, but no tears or stains on it. Got a sunroof there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in here. Plenty of room in the center console. Looks like a charger, USB port down there. Got your cup holders and another little storage compartment there. Power pedals. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts right up. It's got 199,000 miles on it. No warning lights. Over here we've got navigation. We got our radio. We've got XM radio as well. And a backup camera. I believe your DVD player also goes in up here. You got automatic lights, fog lights, heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth settings, OnStar capabilities. You can turn your power liftgate off, open your sunroof, etc. up there. All kinds of extras. You've got voice audio. Lots and lots of extras. This one's fully loaded. In the back, beautiful tan captain's chairs. We've got rear air and media control, as well as rear heated seats. You've got 2 DVD screens in the back and a third row with 3 seat belts. This one's got all the features on it. These Denalis come with a 6.2 liter V8 engine. Plenty of power. As you can see, we got some cup holders back there. Again, the dual DVD screens. On the passenger side, we got heated and air conditioned seats. Seats are in good shape. Give me a second, I'll pop the hood and we can take a look underneath it. Engine is clean. Great shape. It's just a beautiful, beautiful ride. If you're interested, we can get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out an application, and we'll get you approved. Also, be sure to ask about our 2-year, 24,000-mile service contract available on this rig. Remember, trust the duck.